Hi everyone, this is Akshama Dubey. I have a 99.36 percentile in CAT. One thing about my major part of my preparation was appearing for mocks, a lot of them. I dedicated around 1 month for appearing in mocks constantly. And what I really loved about it was the real CAT mocks that helped me a lot in dealing with pressure that would actually build up on your D-day. So if some of the mocks were a level higher than the actual cat and some of the real cat mocks were actually the same level as your cat would be, and that helps us a lot in expecting what could come and knowing how to react to what kind of question is asked, and uh, building your confidence about how to handle the pressure on the actual day of your cat. And I would say that also apart from appearing for your real cat mocks, we also need to analyze those and learn about how what we did wrong and what we did right on in those 2 hours of appearing for your mock. And analyzing them is as important. And in this case, Sudhanshu sirs and Moinak sirs real cat mock analysis and their attempt and approach to each and every question helped me in forming my best strategy for any kind of question that could be asked, and it helped me feel familiar to every topic and aspect of the same in terms of what was my cat. So while talking about my preparation, the one thing that stayed consistent with my along with my preparation would be Aeon essays and how I read and tried to make myself familiar with all kind of subjects that could be asked in RCs, and it also helps in learning more about, and it helped me in getting familiar with all kind of subjects and topics that could be asked in RCs and parajumbles. Also, it helps you in getting into a habit of reading constantly for because cat basically is continuously sitting for 2 hours and reading and analyzing and then solving your questions. Then I appeared for a lot of mocks and a lot of sectional tests in for VARC. And in mocks, there were definitely moments then where I felt like it's nahi ho pa raha hai and this is just too hard, and I felt like giving up. What kept me going was definitely Sumit sir's verbal Monday motivation and Wednesdays, and how he would motivate us in class and tell us to reach great heights with our constant and consistent preparation. On the day of CAT, I would say it did come as a shock when there was no RC related to science or technology, but it was rather all related to nature, society, geography, culture. And but what helped me on that time was how I read a lot of Eon essays on those topics, and that didn't look as unfamiliar as it would have. And for also like on actual day, we were given odd one out questions that are usually not asked in the past 2 3 years. So again, we were all prepared for it because Sumit sir also included those in our classes, and it did help me a lot.